Hello children, this is grade 4, block 7 and S4. Topic is importance of photosynthesis. Open your um, reader, page number 49. Topic importance of photosynthesis. Presented by Caroline teacher. Here I am reading, just you read after me. Plants provide food for all living beings. People and animals eat either plants or plant-eating animals. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and give out oxygen during photosynthesis. People and animals breathe in oxygen. If we cut a lot of trees, the amount of photosynthesis being done is reduced, and as a result, less food and oxygen is available for us. In the cities, we need to make sure that there are enough gardens and trees. This helps in keeping enough oxygen in the air, right? Again you read. So which word you will feel hard, underline it and write in your classwork as a keyword, right? Now I am going to explain. In the previous lesson, in the first, second and third, you have learned what is photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which green leaves of a plant make food using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight, right? So why it is important? Oxygen is formed during photosynthesis, right? So already I have showed you what is the equation of photosynthesis. Water plus carbon dioxide, sunlight, chlorophyll is equal to glucose plus oxygen, isn't it? So now here importance of photosynthesis. Just one thing I will tell you. If we sit in a garden, how we will feel surrounded with the plants and all. If we sit in the garden, yes, we will feel, we get a lot of oxygen from the plants and the air we will feel very fresh, isn't it? So if plants stop photosynthesis, what happens? If plants stop photosynthesizing, what happens? They will not be able to make food for themselves and finally die, isn't it? So we won't get oxygen, right? So here, what is the importance of photosynthesis in your reader? When you see here, plants provide food for all living things, right? And second paragraph, plants, they will take carbon dioxide and they will give out oxygen during photosynthesis. Next one, here we should not cut the trees, right? So if we cut the trees, what is happening over here? What is reducing over here? Oxygen will be reduced, right? So in cities we have to make we have to plant more trees, right? So here one more thing, photosynthesis is important for plants as they make their food through the process, right? So animals and animals and people depend on plants for food. If there is no photosynthesis, animals and humans will not get food, right children? So also plants take carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, right? So this reduces the amount of carbon dioxide in the air, right? So plants give out oxygen during photosynthesis. Animals and people breathe in this oxygen to live. And at the same time, here what is happening? One more thing, balance in the nature, right? We must plant more trees to keep the balancing in nature. Why? Because see, if the number of animals became much less than the number of plants, the carbon dioxide given out by animals would not be enough for photosynthesis, isn't it? So balance between various living things is very important for life on earth to go on, right? So here one more thing. So photosynthesis means here I can show you here. Photosynthesis means food for plants. We need plants for food. Animals need plants for food, and at the same time it cleans the air also, right? And one more thing I will tell you, why we should not sleep under the trees at night. Many of them, they don't know, but especially in the summer, what the people will do, they will go and sleep during under the trees during the night time, isn't it? So at night photosynthesis does not happen, children, in plants because it is dark, right? So at night plants take in oxygen. Do you know this is a logical point? Plants take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide during the night time. So breathing in carbon dioxide is not good for animals and people also during the night time. So we should not sleep during the night time under the trees. Got it? So this is the logical question. Sometimes you will get these questions in what is that one in your test also, right? Now open your workbooks, children. Just open your workbooks and see what it is there in the workbook. Okay, so here S4, when we'll go with the S4, page number 42, importance of photosynthesis. Here, what is the importance of photosynthesis? Here you are having fill in the blanks. Dash is the process by which plants make their own food. So here photosynthesis you have to write. Leaves look green because of dash present in them. Chlorophyll, right? So third C, plants need dash, dash and dash to make food. So what it need? Water, carbon dioxide and sunlight to make the food. Okay, so what plants gives us? Oxygen to breathe, right? Now second one, what can happen if we pluck a lot of leaves of the plants? What will happen? Yes, if we pluck leaves, the plant will die as it will not be able to make food, right? Now in second one, B1, how do animals depend on photosynthesis? So animals eat plants. They need plants as their home too, isn't it? So yes, they need plants as their homes too. So plants make food by photosynthesis. If plants live, animals can live too, right? So question number 3, how do plants help keep a balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air, right? So plants take in carbon dioxide from air and give out oxygen. This way it helps in keeping a balance of the amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air, right children? Now we will see what questions are there in your reader also, right? Now page number 50, page number 50, see here, why is the process of photosynthesis important for people and animals, right? Why it is important for people and animals? See, please read this paragraph. Why this is important for people? What it is, photosynthesis, why it is important? We will get food and we'll get oxygen. And for animals also, same animals also you will get. So just you read this one, okay? Read this paragraph and take out the answer and write, okay? Just try to write your own answers. Means you see in this paragraph and try to write your creativity answers. Next one. Does the process of photosynthesis take place at night too? What happens then? Just now I explained in the video. You write that answer, right? So, thank you children.